Hi, my name is Alexandra, and it is my goal and mission to help travelers, explorers, and everybody check off everything on their bucket list by providing inspiration, knowledge, funny stories, and tips and tricks. So are you a brand or business, product, hotel or stay, or anything that needs to be added to somebody's bucket list? Let's work together. And together, we can come up with a vision for your company on how to best get your experience, your stay, your product into the wild, so it has to be on every single person's bucket list to do before they die. So if you're interested, I would love to meet you, tail included, and we can talk about all the things that I can provide for you. A blog post on my website, a long form YouTube video, some shorts on social media, shorts, reels, TikToks, any other social media posting, or even just some good old-fashioned mermaid UGC content for your brand or business. So if this sounds like a good marketing or advertising strategy for you and I would be a good fit, make sure to contact me and we can help people live life to the fullest, one bucket list at a time.